Flipgrid is used for language, so great way to communicate through social media and videos. When you click on this link, you'll get to a page that asks for the student username or QR code. This will be provided shortly, and then you would be asked to go, and you would see the page look like this, but it would have a topic popped up. And a topic example, something that we would see in our class, might be like this. Let's play Would You Rather. Choose an option for emoji list below, make your choice, and defend it. Would you rather find a unicorn or find a genie? So the student would actually be able to respond to this. They could put a sticker response, they could put an oral response, a video response, a typing response. They have a lot of options to communicate, and then we would all as a class enjoy reading that over together.